let's run this hoe up, Cooter.
Ayy, hold on. Ayy, don't speak on the game. Ayy, don't speak on the clip. Ayy, if you talking this shit, get proud of your mouth, stop talking little bitch. Ayy, and you know it's the game, you know we do, get proud of your shit. We ain't even playing, you know that we jacking, we just do the most. Ayy, G, you know that we getting these niggas, you know that we jacking these niggas.
Hold on, B,
you know that we burying these niggas, you know that we getting these niggas.
hold on, S,
You know that we stepping on shit, you know that we getting some shit. We staying these niggas, we getting some hoes. I act like a bitch, straight through the phone.
hold on,
Ayy, talking the shit, we closing the door. Talking the shit, get chalk with a coat. I'm a young nigga, I ain't selling dope. Talking the shit, get hair and roll. Stop this on the game, we ain't saying no more. They calling the phone, now they talking to bro. You a little hoe, you don't want no more. You know how we do, don't be talking to bro. Don't diss on the game, cause it's never gonna change. The way that I see it, the way that we know, you know it gon' bang. 100%. If you callin' the phone and you act like a hoe, it's up with the shit. You know what we do. You know how we do, you know how we do, it's 100%.
You niggas ain't on shit, you know I stay with a flick. You niggas chasing the pussy, you know that I'm chasing the paper. I'm always ready to crash, you know I'm gon' hit the dash. Yeah, you know these niggas ain't on they block. You know I go by Glock, and these niggas ain't on they block. I'm the real nigga who make that shit hot. I say that I ain't corn, but I make shit pop. Niggas be talking tough shit, shut the fuck, niggas stop bluffing. You niggas ain't wearing nothing, I'm on my top like a muffin. You know that my Jordans is not scuffing. I'm always blowing smoke, but I ain't never ducking. I be screaming fuck 12, but I ain't never running. I stay up in the back, ayy, you know that we gunning. Halloween season, bitch, you know that we purging. She said that she a virgin, I barely put the tip in, that she saying that it's hurting, nigga, yeah.